Hey guys, today we're gonna. Hold on, guys. I'm just gonna. Oh, why did I do it there? Sorry, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys. Ignore him. He's a fucking idiot. So. I'm clever than you. Shut up. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. This Lorenzo son of a bitch showing his pee everywhere. Guy thing. Yeah, he's. Hold on. Okay, guys. Sorry. I just said suck my pee. Suck it. Sorry. By the way, next video is gonna be 2 million pack opening. No, I'm joking.
Yeah.
4 million pack opening. No lie. And I got the best player. No, this is the best player in the world. Giuliano. Oh no. Now he's in real, not in EA's. David Villa. That's not bad. In EA's real FIFA, not PC bits. They actually sorry. By the way, I might show you my club today. So I know I'm keep on being like Sorry. What?
Your flipping screen recorder is not on my iPad.
Does it not say open camera?
I have Apple.
You have Apple? Do you have an Apple?
Yes.
Adam's Apple. KSI. Adam thought it was a chapel, then he thought it was an apple. Hey, not today, little boy, no. Tomorrow. Not today, little boy. We'll do it tomorrow, little boy. Okay? The hell, mate? Okay, guys, I'm just gonna take the screen because yeah, I don't know why. Okay. Guys, listen, I'm just wearing my clothes, you know.
I really want to.
Okay, I just did the most embarrassing thing. I showed my pee. No. Oh, it's a walkout. Binu, you're an idiot. It's gonna be... It's Ramos. I already have him.
I knew it. Yeah.
Oh, I forgot he's 90 rated. Guys, I can't even hold the camera. I'm like... Hello guys, today we're gonna... Check out my channel. That hurt my ears.
Why don't you?
Because I'm a good boy. 2 walkouts in a row.
Eat tiny penis.
And it's gonna suck it. And it's not even... And it's Ozil. Are you kidding me?
Sarah, my sister, she's for sale.
Wait, what? Your sister is for sale? The hell?
Sister for sale.
I think, guys, he's a kidnapper. Twinkle, twinkle, shit, little star. I said play. But they got. Guys, you can't even hear me, but I'm just gonna let. I'm only gonna hear him. So hold on, guys. Sorry, guys. Hold on. Let me do the face cam. Okay, face cam, bro. He's so annoying. Battletoad. Kaihao Mangibulori. Guys, you know what I'm saying. Oh, we get Isco. Isco goes into disco. Too much. I actually brush my teeth. People never believe me that I brush my teeth. I do. I swear to God I do. Mums. I said... I know, because... I don't know why. You're gay, you Lorenzo. Shut up, bro, Lorenzo. Lorenzo. I just did, bitch. I'm not gonna say cock, am I? I don't care. He still is one. So. I know, even when he's older, he's gonna be like, I like big cock. God damn it. Wait, no look back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lukaku. Not bad. Lukaku. I love making you laugh. It's so funny. You're like, ah! And then when you're really happy, you're like, ah! Calm down. Two times in a row we get Mane. I want Mane in real FIFA. And Eric Dyer and Dembele, everyone. Even Ronaldo. Mother, you know Sterling? I saw on the FIFA thing that you can get no we never. Sorry. People do that. Yeah, he has to go to the toilet every day. Oh, I know. Sorry guys, I'm just... What the hell is this? Get some help. Stop it. Get some help. Oh. Do you? Because you play it. Dumbass. Dumb ass. You know Yummy? That scared me. Where are you going? Why are you always lying? Oh my god. Stop lying. That's sad. Sorry, you just left. Duplicates. Oh my god. Stop lying. Hello. Guys, I just got 100k more. Why not? Hold on, guys. Guys, I'm calling my dumb cousin. I'm the best cousin. You're a bitch. Guys, look at him. Stop ending the call. What? What? Oh, you know. Amanda! 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 You're a bitch. Stop ending the calls. Cheers, mate. Cheers, mate. You're doing it. You can't. I'm not calling you. I'm not calling you. Fuck's sake. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this guy. What the hell? Shut up, mate. And then the call, you dickhead. Look, I'm getting my country. It says Alex's couldn't talk. Look at bastard. Look at that bastard. Look at him. Look at him. Wait, are you in your mum's bed? Nah, we don't even need to. Foot pack. I put my foot in your pack. You're a bit shush. Get my shoes off and run. No, can't. Comedy shorts game, I can't even fight. Guys, sorry. I'm gonna put my camera on. One more pack. How much minutes are we? Oh, 13 minutes. Last pack, Gundagun. Not bad. And my sweetie. That's some sick pack. I always say this. Oh, no. My club. Glad here. 20. Okay, guys. I will see you in the next video. Peace.